Welcome to our channel Auto Luxury Cars. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Toyota Aygo X, a stylish and compact urban crossover. We'll explore its exterior, performance, interior, safety features, and pricing, so stay tuned. Exterior. The 2025 Aygo X stands out with its bold design, LED headlights, a striking front grille, and sporty alloy wheels. Its compact size makes it perfect for city driving, while the high ground clearance adds a rugged touch. Performance. Under the hood, the Aygo X features a fuel-efficient 1.0-liter three-cylinder engine, delivering smooth power and excellent mileage. The CVT transmission ensures seamless gear shifts, making it an ideal choice for urban commutes. Interior. Step inside, and you'll find a modern, tech-focused cabin. The infotainment system includes a large touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Premium materials, comfortable seats, and a spacious layout make every ride enjoyable. Safety features. Toyota prioritizes safety with advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. These features provide confidence and security on the road. Prices. The 2025 Toyota Aygo X offers great value, with prices starting at approximately $78,681 depending on trim level and features. Outro. That's our quick look at the 2025 Toyota Aygo X. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car reviews. See you in the next one.